So I'm Jessica Manieri. I am a double major here at UNE in data science and neuroscience, and I'm a graduate of the class of 2023.
My name is Cal Murray. I'm a class of 2024 chemistry major.
Our project is a badge program where we developed our own curriculum in order to teach about the fundamentals of artificial intelligence.
So several different departments reached out to the Makerspace, recognizing that there are a lot of opportunities to apply AI to their projects. And so then the Makerspace reached out to Jess and I and asked us to come on board and help develop a program to teach people how to use AI.
What we did was to create a curriculum from the ground up, including a syllabus and some presentations and testing.
So we'd meet weekly and we'd sit down and we'd talk about curriculum, and each week we'd kind of walk through a week of the class and come up with design for the course for that day, some kind of materials and activities, and figure out how that works into an overall framework of teaching people how to use AI.
The goal is to be able to apply this to the university's research labs so that student researchers can come in with their own ideas, take this course on artificial intelligence, and be more educated with how they can apply it to their own interests within their own majors. At this school, where there's so many different research opportunities, we want to be able to provide more options for students to be able to play different roles in that research.
We came at this with the perspective of trying to teach very, very basic fundamentals and how to make something easily reproducible, to take away all the confusion about what is AI, how do I use it, and just turn it into a basic tool in your toolbox to research.
We live in this really rapidly developing technological world, and artificial intelligence is one of these new big things that we see as important for research of the future. But reality is, it already exists in research today.
It's important to me to make this kind of badge program because then you can disseminate that information in some way that's not scary to as many people as possible.
One of our goals with building this curriculum, because of how sometimes intimidating artificial intelligence can be, is to have this student-built and student-taught class in order to make it more accessible to students and less intimidating.
So the Makerspace is great because there's just access to everything that you can think of, and if you somehow think of something that isn't here already to accomplish something, we'll get it for you.
Most students that come in here with a really good idea, and we're able to support them with all of the resources that we have here in the Makerspace to bring that idea to completion.